So this is a part of a therapy. I don't know how many of you connect to mud, but to give you a basic idea, we have come from earth, we will go back to earth. And just simply connect with your breath. Listen to what it's saying to you. This is how the Creator has created you. Now just imagine if you were creating yourself. ये जब क्ले बहुत गीला होता है ना तो इसको हैंडल करना मुश्किल होता है.
My name is Anita. We are from the SSA, that's Slumber Spouse Association. We came to know about Nupur a couple of days back, and we had to just take this opportunity to come and experience this myself. So we were a big group today. A lot of them came, a lot of them enjoyed it, and it was so lovely. Personally, this was the first time I have actually made a Ganesh, and this place with Nupur is amazing. You should try. If you can, definitely come and attend the workshop.
Making Ganesha for the first time, it was a lovely experience for me especially. I want to keep this in my mandir for the Ganesh Puja this time. Thanks Nupur for making such a good organization of this, making Ganesha with clay especially. I love this concept.
गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया.
We just had a very good workshop at Nupur ma'am's house today about clay modeling, and we made beautiful Ganpatis. She let your imagination flow into the mold and the clay, whatever you want to put it. It was such a beautiful experience. I would definitely recommend it to anyone and everyone who wants to come and enjoy this experience with her.